How to find your recently watched titles on Netflix. Want to revisit something you recently watched on Netflix but can't remember the title? Netflix keeps track of your viewing history, making it easy to find those shows and movies. In this guide, I'll show you how to find your recently watched titles on Netflix step by step. Let's dive in. Launch your Netflix. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the homepage. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find different sections over here. Over here, you'll find this section of continue watching for. And in this section, you're gonna find your watch history. Likewise, you can click on profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Then scroll down. Over here, you'll find this section of recently watched. Under recently watched, you're gonna find all the movies and series that you have recently watched. And that's how you can find your recently watched titles on Netflix. With these simple steps, you'll never lose track of what you have been watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.